Today, I'll show you how to accept all changes in Grammarly, ensuring your document is polished and error-free with minimal effort. Grammarly is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to improve their writing, catching everything from simple spelling errors to complex grammatical mistakes. Understanding how to effectively utilize its features can save you a lot of time and improve the overall quality of your work. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to open your workspace document in Grammarly. This is where all the magic happens. If you're using Grammarly as a browser extension, make sure it's properly activated and that you're logged into your account. Once you have your document open, you'll notice Grammarly's proofreader appearing on the right-hand sidebar. This is your command center for editing. It provides a comprehensive list of suggestions and corrections that can elevate your writing to professional standards. As you look through the sidebar, you'll see a list of all the errors and suggestions that Grammarly has flagged in your document. Each flagged issue will be highlighted, making it easy for you to spot what needs attention. Now, to accept all changes, you simply need to click on the Accept button for each flagged statement. This allows you to go through each suggestion one by one, ensuring that you agree with the changes being made. It's a meticulous process, but ensures that the integrity and meaning of your content remain intact. However, if you're short on time or prefer a more automated approach, Grammarly offers another fantastic feature. You can click on the option to Ask AI to improve readability or fix entire paper. By selecting this preset, you allow Grammarly's advanced AI to take over. It will generate a polished, error-free version of your text. This new version will appear side by side with your original draft, so you can see the improvements made. It's almost like having a professional proofreader at your fingertips. Once you're satisfied with the AI's suggestions, the final step is simple. Click Insert to replace your old text entirely with the new, refined version. This action will incorporate all the AI's improvements, leaving you with a clean, polished document ready for sharing or submission. And there you have it. With these steps, accepting all changes in Grammarly is a breeze. Whether you choose to manually review each suggestion or let the AI handle it, you'll end up with a document that's free from errors and easy to read. Remember, Grammarly is not just about fixing mistakes, it's about making your writing shine. So, next time you're working on a document, know that you have the tools to make it the best it can be. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.